All right, guys. Good morning. Listen, I'm here in the dungeon prepping for the new landscape season. 2025 landscape season is upon us. One of the first things I like to do is get my blades going, sharpen them up, and check the oil, make sure the air filter and everything is pretty much clean, ready to go. So I have here my blade sharpener. So I'm gonna sharpen up some blades. Yes, I do have safety glasses, but I will be working without gloves. I normally wouldn't recommend that, but the only reason why is because I'm trying to get a feel of the blade a little better, and I just want to see how it feels without the gloves. All right. Normally I would use gloves. All right. So you are going to see some sparks here and there, but it's nothing more than the stone here, this purple thing, sharpening up the blades. So I'm a little rusty, but I plan on getting a little better as I work on it more and more. So what I want to also show is this here, very beneficial. All right. This will let you know if you shaved off too much of the blade on one end or the other. And after shaving the blade, if you sit it on here and the blade is pretty much level, if it's pretty much level, all right, that's pretty good. That means that the blade is pretty much even on both sides. But if it's like this, that means that it's too much on that side. You have to shave that side down, okay? So I'm gonna be getting this thing going. All right, you might can't hear me because it gets a little loud. All right, but let's see what's going on. So it's a little faded, a little dull. All right, a little dull. You know, we ain't got that sharpness on it. All right, so once I get finished, this should be like shiny. Okay. So you would sit this blade down in a groove here, and you just slide it forward. As you can see, it's starting to sharpen up a little bit already, right? So you just want to keep it on a nice angle. You ain't gotta fight. Guys, you see that shining up there? Huh? Then I'm gonna switch to the other side. Alright? Sit it right down in the groove. Sharp. It's getting there, right? Back there. leaning to one side a little bit. Just leaning, as you can see. As you can see, it's kind of leaning more on that side. All right, I'm gonna try to tighten that up a little bit. This takes some practice because you have to angle it so you get the good flush like against the blade and shave it down right. You can't just stick it in it. You got to put it on an angle. That one stroke got it pretty much even there. All right, and that's how you want your blades, guys. If it's leaning to one side, you know, heavily, that's not going to be right for your blades, and it puts wear and tear on your belts. Okay, all right. So guys, that's just, you know, a little tutorial. I will be back, you know, here and there showing various videos, sharpening blades, how to calculate how much grass seed to put down, how much fertilizer to put down, so you would know you won't burn your lawn, you won't use excessive seeds, trying to get an outcome. You'll put the right amount of seed, right amount of fertilizer. I may even throw an oil change tutorial in. But yes, I'm back at you, 2025, customer first lawn service. Hey, we value our customers first.